Did you know the amazing healing benefits of ripe bananas? Yes, you heard it right. Bananas, a fruit so common, so accessible, and yet so extraordinary in its healing capabilities. Often we overlook the simple things around us, failing to recognize their extraordinary value. Such is the case with ripe bananas. Bananas are everywhere, in almost every grocery store, corner shop, or farmer's market. They're a staple in many diets around the globe, and for good reason. Now let's take a moment to think about ripe bananas. As bananas ripen, their healing potential increases, transforming them into natural healers. This is not just about enjoying a sweet, delicious snack. It's about the incredible power of nature, packed into a fruit that we can all easily incorporate into our daily lives. Today, we're going to delve deep into the world of ripe bananas, exploring their immense healing properties. Get ready to unravel the incredible healing powers of this simple yet magical fruit. Have you ever wondered what makes ripe bananas so beneficial for our health? Well, let's peel back the layers and dive into the nutritional composition of these yellow wonders. Ripe bananas are a veritable powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. They're packed with vitamin C, a key player in immune health, and vitamin B6, which supports brain development and function. But that's not all. They also boast a high content of magnesium and potassium, essential minerals for heart health and blood pressure regulation. Plus, they're a rich source of dietary fiber, aiding digestion and keeping you feeling full longer. And let's not forget about the antioxidants. Ripe bananas are chock full of these powerful compounds, including dopamine, known for its mood-enhancing effects. So how do all these nutrients come together? They contribute to our overall health and wellness, from boosting our immune system to supporting our brain function and heart health. So the secret behind the magic of ripe bananas lies in their rich nutritional profile. Now let's delve into the specific health benefits of ripe bananas. Ripe bananas, nature's sweet gift wrapped in a yellow peel, have a wealth of health benefits. This fruit is not just about its delicious taste, it's a veritable powerhouse of nutrients that can contribute to our overall health in surprising ways. Let's start with digestion. Ripe bananas are high in dietary fiber, which aids in smooth digestion and helps maintain regular bowel movements. They act as a natural antacid, providing relief from acid reflux and heartburn. So the next time your stomach is feeling a bit off, a ripe banana might just be the soothing balm you need. Moving on to energy levels. Bananas are rich in natural sugars: fructose, glucose, and sucrose. When consumed, these sugars provide a quick and substantial energy boost. That's why you often see athletes munching on bananas during breaks. It's not just a snack, it's fuel for the body. Did you know that ripe bananas could also enhance your mood? That's right. They contain an amino acid called tryptophan, which is converted into serotonin in the body. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that promotes feelings of happiness and well-being. So a banana a day might just keep the blues away. Finally, let's talk about heart health. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium, a mineral that helps regulate heart function and blood pressure. Studies have shown that a diet rich in potassium can reduce the risk of heart disease. Plus, the fiber in bananas can also help lower cholesterol levels, further promoting heart health. From aiding digestion to boosting energy, enhancing mood, and improving heart health, ripe bananas are a true testament to the saying, "Good things come in small packages." And the best part? They're readily available, affordable, and can be incorporated into your diet in so many creative ways. Clearly, the humble ripe banana holds a plethora of healing wonders within its peel. The wisdom of our ancestors wasn't wrong when they incorporated ripe bananas into their diet. Ripe bananas were traditionally used as a natural remedy for various ailments, and their nutritional value was an essential part of many diets. As we move forward, it's important to remember the wisdom of the past. In our fast-paced world, embracing natural, wholesome foods like ripe bananas can provide us with the nutrients we need to stay healthy. Let's take a leaf from our ancestors' book and make ripe bananas a staple in our diets. To sum it up, ripe bananas are a true gift from nature. Packed with essential nutrients, they are a powerhouse of health benefits. From boosting your mood to aiding in digestion, they truly are a wonder fruit. Remember the wisdom of our ancestors who valued this humble fruit for its healing properties. Harness the power of ripe bananas in your daily diet and experience their healing wonders firsthand. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out the next video in our Healing Wonders series.